This gorgeous looking Japanese style beef curry is perfect for any winter day. Where I live, beautiful fall days are far behind us, and most of the time we're left with these gray, gloomy days. So I headed out to a local Asian market to pick up this golden curry, extra hot to my taste. Of course, it's up to you. You should be able to find easily this beef already cut for stew. You will also need some garlic, potatoes, pretty classic, yellow onion, and some carrots. But please check the description box below for all the ingredients and measurements. And I also got this vegetable stock that's unsalted because all of the flavor is in the curry. Also, just to jazz things up a little bit, I will use this tomato paste. I love tomatoes. It's going to add a little bit of a sour note and a little bit of a tomato-ish tartness. Totally optional. I'm gonna start with garlic. Got 6 cloves. I love garlic. It's all up to you, of course. It should make garlic peel off really easy. Remove this dry end. And because this is a stew, all I want is like some big chunks. Like that. And repeat for the rest. Onion. Nice and clean. I'm gonna go with a half and chop it in larger pieces. And I'm going to go ahead and separate these pieces like that. Carrot. Go ahead and peel that real quick. Quickly delete on this end. And then kind of roll and cut. Potato is next. And now we'll cut potatoes. And check this out. I'm doing it last because potato has a lot of starch. This way, at the very end, I'll just wash knife and board one time. With potatoes, put them in water so that they don't lose any color. Okay, now just clean up and start cooking. I've got a wok here on a high heat. Into there, just in case, I have about a tablespoon. No flavor oil. My case, canola. So when that's nice and hot, meat goes in. If you feel like there's so much liquid, then just take a paper towel, take some of it off. The idea here is to develop a little bit of color, not to cook the meat all the way through. Onions and garlic. Got tomato paste I wanted to use. A tablespoon, 2, a little more, about 3. Unsalted vegetable stock. You want to measure, use cups. 1, 2. I've got 2.5 cups. That tomato paste, I'm telling you, is going to make a little bit difference. If you like tomatoes like I do, this is awesome. Alright, this is nicely coming up to a boil, and if you would like, you can come over to these edges and skim some of the impurities like that into a water. I'm switching heat to simmer. Cover with lid. We'll go 40 minutes. Fast forward into a future. Wow, look at this. Gorgeous. Smells fantastic. I did not add any liquid at all. Drain the potatoes and they go in. Carrots. Give this all a nice mix. Heat back to high. And when it starts absolutely positively boiling like this, cover once again and simmer 20 to 25 minutes. Into the future one more time. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. Smells amazing. So at this point, curry. I know that there are instructions in the back, but you know what? Follow your heart. Follow your heart, my friend. I'm going to break down these 2 cubes. And it's just going to melt into this liquid. Oh my gosh, it smells fantastic. And when it's nice and thickened like this, you're ready to plate. So I've got a little bit of white rice. It smells absolutely fantastic in here. Garnish with some green onion. How good does this look? There it is. Steaming bowl of spicy Japanese curry. Can't wait to try it. I'm gonna use a spoon for this. Just got a little bit of everything on it. That smells amazing. It's gonna be hot. Carrot is really, really soft. What an absolute legend, a staple of a comfort food. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I wish you nothing but the best.